If you're looking for an easy way to lock the door from the inside, check out this. What's happening, Panda Nation? Peter Von Panda here. I just picked this up. It's a SAFELON door lever lock. And you might want something like this because you might have kids in your home. Maybe you work from home, a home office, and they just kind of come in. Maybe there is a room that you are in and there's dangerous things. So you want to lock it while you're in there so that no one sneaks in there while you're working or startles you. Most of us just need a little privacy every now and then. And this little door lock here is kind of interesting. I actually looked at a bunch of these because I thought, well, do they actually work? Are they removable? I don't want to actually have to remove my door handle and put a locking door handle in there. I just wanted something that I could have temporarily because especially when you work from home, there's so many times when someone just opens the door, they don't realize you're on a conference call. Like that guy that was on that interview and the kid comes strutting in. You know, a little prevention might save your job. Now, one thing I did notice here is it comes with two. I didn't expect that, so that's kind of nice. You also get this 3M double-sided tape right there, so it should be pretty sticky. It doesn't seem like overly sticky like the outdoor weather stripping tape, so that's good. You know, hopefully this will come off without peeling off paint or something like that. My door is wooden, so it might pull off the top varnish or something. But what you get is this kind of plastic rail here, all plastic. Kind of reminds me of those like removable hooks that you put on the wall to hang up your jacket. But what we get here is this little flap, and it has some buttons on both sides, so if I squeeze it, what it will do is it will ride up and down. And actually when it's down, this little button here will prevent it from going up, which is actually good because you don't want this thing to inadvertently spring up if nobody's in the room and lock the door behind you. So it's kind of clever thinking right there. So once it's down, no one will push it up accidentally, hopefully. And then when you close that door, now no one can get in. That would be kind of a bummer. And I will tell you, it takes a little bit of work. It's not hard to move, but you do have to push in both of these. One of those won't do it. And then when this is in the up position, you have to have a door handle that's like a lever, right? Circular door handle will work, lever door handle. And if this is up, holding that lever up, it's going to hold that door closed, right? And then when it's down here, that lever is going to be able to move. So let's put it on my office door and see if it works. All right. So a couple of things I want to point out here is that my office door has that required handle like lever type of opening. We also have this vinyl sticker on here that I've put on there. Give myself a little outdoor motif. And I have the little lock right here. And so I've got it in the up position so that I can place it in the right spot here. I'm actually kind of curious if I should place it right under the far point of that handle so that there's enough clearance to make sure that gets out of the way. Actually, I think I'm going to do that. I think I'm going to put it right about there and then just push it in just like this, right? All right. And rattling the door there. Someone's trying to get in, but they're not going to be able to because this is not going to open. But now if I grab this and pull it down, yep, plenty of clearance. Actually, not too much clearance, only about an inch there. So if I put it right here, it might have hit that. But what I love about this is now I can kind of push this up. I'm going to kind of actually have a third hand. You can do it one-handed, just like this. It's going to be a little coordinated. But now that door is locked. So if you want to add a removable lock to a door handle nicely, easily, quickly, keep people out, keep your things secure, kind of secure. It's a little more prevention than actual security, right? Because I could probably torque that handle down and really break it off. But man, I'm actually pretty pleased with that. Doesn't get much easier than that. If you want to pick up this 2-pack of door locks for this type of handle, I'll put a link to it in the description below. Peter Von Panda, out.